Subscriptions are powerful, but did you know recurring payments are one of the biggest triggers for account freezes with Stripe or PayPal? This quick search shows you why recurring billing can be risky. Processors often flag subscriptions because of higher chargeback potential or customer disputes. And when that happens, your account and your revenue can be frozen without warning. EasyPay Direct has recurring billing built right into your merchant account. The difference? They underwrite your business upfront. So subscriptions are supported from the start. On top of that, you get decline recovery to keep payments flowing and chargeback mitigation tools to protect your account long term. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description. Check it out today if you want recurring payments that won't put your account at risk. Whether you're running coaching programs, memberships, or info products, EasyPay Direct makes recurring billing safe and reliable. Just click the link in the description and fill out the quick form to get started.